All right, so let's start this. Welcome everybody. This is Ashok from India. I'd like to welcome you all to the RoyalQ Artificial Intelligence Robotic Trading Platform and welcome to the future. We are a community of people that believe in building success the smart way. So if you're a smart person listening to this video, then you are at the right place, my brother. Disclaimer: we are not a financial advisors, trade experts, accountants, or owners of RoyalQ. This presentation is intended for educational purposes only and do not replace independent professional judgment. Statements of facts and opinions expressed in this presentation are my individual views based on my study and not the opinion or position of financial experts, trade analysts, accountants, or lawyers. Attendees and participants are prohibited to use this presentation and proof or promissory to mislead public into any form of schemes. Please do your own due diligence before joining RoyalQ. All right, disclaimers apart. Now, before we get started with the presentation, I would like to tell you one thing, and it was told to me once. Now, mind should be kept open. Throughout these presentations, do not skip. You might lose some important points which might be misleading, or you might be thinking that, okay, now this business is not for you. It's a famous quote by Lee Brown: too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fear. It's so true. We people are living our fear. Fear of losing job, fear of many things. The pandemic is contributing equally. So once we're done with this presentation, take your own time, take your own decision. The ball is in your court. You have to take your decision and live your dream. Specialties and benefits. Now, before we get into this presentation in depth, why you should be part of this business. Over 1 million downloads have been done on Android or iOS. And it's a smartphone world, so we all do work in smartphone. You can see if you're an Android user, when you go download, there's 5 lakh plus downloads already been done and still counting, even if the same with iOS. The business is spread across over 30 countries and still counting. If you're a newbie, you want to get started, or you're a professional or an intermediate, again, this is the right business for you. Why? Because you're going to learn new ideas. If you're a professional trader, I'm sure you have made losses. If you're a beginner, you're still struggling to know which coin to be part of it, how to get started, the fundamentals, and pump and dump coins, right? So stick to it. This is going to give you a lot of education and also a freedom. This application is latest of its own kind. Robotic trading we have seen in past. The many applications being launched, they all are completely automatic, where you once you bind it with your trading platform, it trades for you. Many of us have seen ourselves that at times bot is trading on the coin that we don't even know about, or we don't even know whether that coin is going to be existing after some time, right? So this is up to date. It's a semi-automatic bot. It's going to trade only on the coins that you have chosen for, and it will follow the same strategy that we can do, right? Community and circle support, be it support from RoyalQ, direct team, or the community you're going to join with, be it my team or any team, but as long as you're part of the system, I'm good with it. As I told before, no automatic coin selection. It's a semi-automatic bot which will trade only on the coin that you tell the bot to trade on. It binds with an API with a trusted IP, because there's an IP generated within RoyalQ which you're going to copy paste onto your exchange, be it Binance or Huobi or Coinbase. Of late it got added up. So it is a trusted IP. You cannot clone it. You cannot try to cheat it, because if you do and there are 2 applications with the same IP, your account will be locked. So you are safe. There is no permissions to be taken from the application, because we have seen the businesses in past that you have to wait for a week to get your withdrawals. At times the withdrawals are delayed, but here there is no stoppage of when you're going to take your withdrawals, what time you're going to take your withdrawals. It's 24/7, 365 days. Your money is safe in your account. I would say it's an exchange. So your money stays in your exchange, be it Binance or Huobi or Coinbase. Your money is in your account, and with an API, as we discussed earlier, the application is going to seek permission, and it's going to trade on behalf of you, right? Even while you're sleeping. This is my best part. The application never closes the sale on loss. Even when you bought a coin or trade, you enter a trade and it's gone on loss, it will keep that in a floating loss that we will discuss in further or next video. And also there is an option called sub in mode, which will help you even in the downfall. It will start making profit. So there is nothing known as loss when it comes to RoyalQ automatic bot. Commissions are instant, as we discussed earlier. It is instant within about few seconds. Once you refer somebody into this business or you do your trade, your money is credited into your account. And there is no charges, unlike other programs. You don't have to wait, or you don't have to pay an hefty amount of charges just to withdraw your own money. Yes, we are talking about RoyalQ. I know by now you all know about it, but just to let you know. But many of you know my nothing. Many of you might be wondering, hey, what is RoyalQ? So RoyalQ is an advanced application, unlike other old applications that you have encountered in past. It's a one-stop application. Now it uses an intelligent quantifying strategy trading platform. Now it is a business by itself. It's an application which trades in multiple coins at the multiple time, and there is no losses. Just because it is a super intelligent application, and it focuses on artificial intelligence of quantitative trading. It executes intelligent trades. It monitors and tracks big time data real time. It adjusts itself, unlike other applications which crashes when the market is down, or it couldn't do the real time. It is on real time market condition. It will adjust its trades. It know what is it doing. That's why there is no loss. So it works for you 24/7, right? No matter what condition is, it will give you profit even while you're sleeping. In corporations, you can see the electronic filing. The company is registered, the name of RoyalQ Quantifying Investment Management Company Limited. It is registered in California, USA, headquartered in Singapore. Now the bot uses a unique martingale quantifying strategy, which we all know, and we might be doing it in our current trades now these days. So be it forex, or you are into share market or commodity or cryptocurrency trading, we all do that. So we all average, we do the dollar cost averaging and many things. So it's a small example given here. For example, that you have started a trade, and you can see a small box on the bottom left corner that you have done the trade setting of the first trade that you want to start, the minimum trade of $10, for example. And then again, whatever you have set, a 1.3% raise, you want bot to sell and book your profit. And when to book a profit? If there is a 0.3% of retracement. So now this is a smart application, and it will adjust itself for the market conditions. So if it is a bull run, it will not book the profit at 1.3%. It will book the profit at 1.3, and it will continue going up. You can see that it is on the graph. It will go up to the 5%. If the market is really good, it will not close the sale or book the profit for you. It will just book and lock the profit at that time. So it reaches at 4 and 5%, and there is a retracement of 0.3%, it will sell. So you made a profit. Instead of 1%, you made 4.7% of profit in that trade. So now that's smart, or that intelligent this AI bot is going to be. So there is something known as margin calls, where you go ahead and average, right? When the market is in fall, for example, you bought it at $10, the market dips, it doesn't go up. So it will adjust based on the conditions, based on the funds that you have kept reserved for the margin trades. So depending on how many margin trades you want to do. We do it in a normal life that we have enough funds. We will again buy it for $10, or we will double the investment and go with $20 trade. So likewise, you have done the trade settings like at a 3.5% dip, you buy it for some time. And again, if it is 4%, buy it some more. And when the market retraces the upwards, it will do the dollar cost averaging, but it will not sell. It averages out. You can sell it manually anytime you want, but the bot will wait for your 1.3%. If the market is bullish, it will wait, it will book the trade, and it will continue going up even if it is 10%, and with a slight retracement of 0.3%, which is set by you or the user, it will sell the profit. So if it is a $10, it will go up to 10, and when the market falls down 0.3%, it will make the sale. So you have booked a profit of 9.7%. That's nearly 100% profit. That's intelligent the bot is. But what we do, we get into greed. When the market is going up, we tend to exit from the market. But here, bot is going to think much faster than you. It will react to the trade. If the market is going to retrace on a bull and upwards, it will enter the trade by the time you're thinking about to enter the trade, and it will exit when it's done. Because once we have seen ourselves, we have booked the trade, we started the trade for $10, and there is a increase in 1%, we get into that greed mode. We want more, and we increase our profit. But bot is going to wait, and it will sell and come out. So that's where the bot is always profitable, and we tend to make error. So once you own this application, so there are 3 ways where you can trade with the application here. So if you're a professional trader, you can set up your own strategy there, and you can leave the bot to trade. So you know which coin you're trading on, even if you're away from the computer, or even if you're away from your smartphone, don't even worry about it. It will trade for you. Even if your phone is off, don't think that the bot is going to stop trading. It will be continuously trading for you. The default setting is the best for people who are new, who are just getting started, who have nearly less or no knowledge at all. They can use the automatic settings, the default settings given by the application, and they can trade on the coin. If you're an intermediate, you know about and you want to learn more, and you want to learn the strategies by different circles, you can join the different community circles within the RoyalQ trading platform. So you can choose the circle. They will be somewhere between, they will charge you, yes, because they are trading, and it's basically saying copy trading. So you copy their trade and allow the bot to work for them. So it is semi-audible. At times you know the trends of how the coin is going to be traded. So you can do manual settings for that coin. If you think that it is a very highly volatile coin, go with a sync strategy with the professional traders. So they will charge you somewhere between 0 to 5%, depending on what is the conditions. I'm sure many of us have seen this. If not, this is how a cryptocurrency trading platform looks like. Now this is the coin. It will show which coin it is. For example, Bitcoin, what is the current price? Now what is the up, what is the down, right? Everything has been given there. So we look at a fair enough outline graph, whether it is moving upwards or it is moving sideways or it is in a downtrend, right? So to be in rough about over 2,000 different coins, and on a daily basis there are new coins coming into market. If you are new or an intermediate, you might be wondering, how will I trade out of those 2,000 plus coins? RoyalQ has done the job easy for you. RoyalQ has selected 70 plus coins within the application. For being a beginner, it is highly trended, most traded coin, and highly volatile coins. It has a mix of everything. Over 70 plus coins being added, and they're going to add more coins in future. So you can choose from which coin to do. You are in good hands now. Looking at the compensation plan, how it works. So I know that many of us just want to know about how the application works. Here in the blue, it talks about the bonuses that you will receive in the direct commission. And in yellow, you will see the residual team gains, which you will be earning. Now, once you register and purchase a VIP subscription, now you are qualified for the V1 rank. So we have different ranks from V1 to V6, which is the royal partner, the V6, the topmost, right? So once you're V1 and you decide to promote, but you want to wait for some time, you want to see how the bot is working for you. If it gives you profit or if it is not giving you profit, right? Everybody does, even I did. Now I've seen the profit is coming in, which I'll be sharing at the end of the video. And I liked it. I kept sharing it. Now as a V1, because I'm already qualified and I have registered and activated my application, I make 30%, which is $30 every person I introduce into this business. And that's not all. 20% of their trading profits, because everybody is going to use the bot and they have their funds in their exchange. So every time there is a profitable trade, I make 20%. That's a residual income. So there is no one-time income. You might be wondering, hey, what happens? One time I introduce somebody, then so have to reinvent the wheel every time to make money? No. Once you have done, you will start making a residual income. So likewise, it happens in V2, which is 40% and 30% of residual income. V3, it moves up to 50 and 40. V4, 60-50. V5, 65, 55. And at the topmost, if you're in V6 and you refer somebody into this business directly from your link, you make $70. Boom, that's an awesome money. And 60% of that person's trading profit, which will be coming into your account daily. All right, so let's see this business plan in depth. You test the bot for the first time. You get started, you download the application, register, pay $120, activate it, and then you have your funds in your exchange, be it a Binance, Huobi, or Coinbase. The bot is trading for you. As I told you earlier, the community and the circle you're going to use, they're going to charge you somewhere between 0 to 5%. So bot is not going to do the job for free. Even that's going to charge you for that. So the working plan, which I'm more interested in, and you're watching this video because I'm promoting this video. If you like it, you join, I make money, right? So what happens in working and non-working? It's an 80-20 rule, wherein when you trade, so you're doing it for yourself, you're doing it just for testing. You're just getting started, right? If you're a professional, you're getting started. If you're a networker, you're just getting started. Affiliate marketing, you're just getting started because you want to know. Before you spread the words, you want to see it for yourself whether you make money or not, right? So 80% of the money comes to your account and 20% of the profit, RoyalQ now holds it for its sustainability. So you might be thinking 20% is too huge, because we need to understand this bot is working for you 24/7 even while you're sleeping. But wherein somebody chooses to work and promote the business, now they refer, right? They refer somebody into the business, they want to make money, yes. For example, now I joined the system, I paid $120. Now 70% is being used to redistribute it to the working people who are promoting this business, and 30% comes to me, which is $30. So we'll see that in a bit. So as I told earlier, 20-30 rule when it's a non-working plan, and 30-70, and 70 is distributed, and 30% system keeps it by itself. So let's see how it works. So you decide to work. I'm working, and if you decide to work after some time, the direct income which you will be earning, and also a trading income, there are two different incomes that you will be earning. Let me explain that to you. So when you are promoting this business, you also entitled to achieve different ranks, because you're promoting and adding more people. You're spreading the word. You're spreading the goodness about the trading bot, how that bot is going to be good, and how they're going to be trading and making profit, right? So once you spread the word, you get part of it. You join the system with me, and boom, I make $30. Right? Remember I told you about 70% has been redistributed among the people who are working and promoting the business. So $30 I made. So likewise, when you decide to promote this business, your friend joins, the first friend, XYZ, whoever it is, you make $30 immediately back into your account. Getting better, and you decide to promote the business and take your capital investment out. That everybody does, even a small business who does it. Even a person with $100 investment wants to take his $100 back with a profit, right? Even a businesses with thousands of or lakhs of dollars, they want to do that. So I start promoting the business, you start promoting the business. We both are working as a team. We promoted, we reached 20 people, you and me together, right? So just like you, I added a few more people and there are 20 people activated. And I move on to V2, right? Likewise, when you do, you will also move on to the next level when you reach 20 active people as a team, not as an individual. And then you start making more money. $40. How's that? $10 more, right? And then you get more pumped up. I get more pumped up because I'm making $40, you making $30. Then you move up. You want to move up the ladder. Yes, so do I. We together reach 100 people. Among our team, everybody is reaching and activated. 100 people are activated. To move on to V3, now I should have at least 3 V2s in my team. So I should have one V2, like if you are a V2, good. Likewise, I should have 2 more V2s. So in total of 2 V2s in rank, if I have, then I become V3 and boom, I start making $50 then on. So every time I refer my link, I get $50 as a commission, a direct commission into my account. How does that sound to you? We all work as a team. The 100 people are working as a team. The team is highly motivated and we reach at the 300 level. And we have 3 V3s in our team. I move up, you move up the ladder as well, right? So I become V4, you become V3, or if you're really good, you come to me as V4. We'll get to it. What happens if you know at my rank or even higher than me? We'll discuss about it. Boom. We made $60. I make $60 when I move on to as a direct selling, right? So likewise, the 300 people are highly motivated. It is just a carbon copy. People are just following the team. Community is good. The support is really good. We reach 800 active people, and we have 4 V4s. Oh, I'm sorry, 3 V4s. Boom. I become V5 and $65 then on I make for every direct referrals I make. 1,500 as a team. We achieve. We have 3 V5s. Great. So move on to V6. I make $70 directly. So if I use my referral link and refer somebody into this business, I make $70. So likewise, what happens to a person who is referring at V1? So that person is directly referred by me. The person refers, he makes $30. So for example, let me show this. So I referred V1, which is XYZ, right? I will make his name as Robert. So Robert is V1, directly referred by me. I made $70. Now, what happens when Robert refers his first person into this business? He makes $30 and I make the differential amount of $40 to my account. So likewise, a V2 who is directly referred by me, he makes $40 and I make the differential amount of $30 to my bank account. That's how it works, right? And that's not it. That's not it. Now we know that 30/70, you know the big money is coming in. I think to getting started, this is more than enough, but there is more to it. Now we know that if you just want to, you're getting started, want to test the system for a week or a month or 3 months, that's okay. You can use it. 20% goes to system for its sustainability and 80% will be credited to you directly into your account, right? Which you can withdraw it anytime you want, 24/7, 365 days. All right, so now you know V1 is making it's a one-time $30. Now what next? We spoke about the trading earning also, which is a residual income. So with respect to how many people you have introduced as V1, so every person you want to refer, you're going to make 4% of the trading profit. Likewise, when you joined the system, you also had some funds in your exchange, right? Be it $100 or $1,000. So the bot is trading depending on how many coins you're trading onto, right? So every profitable trade, you get your 80%, RoyalQ keeps the 20%, and I make 4% out of it. Now how? We'll learn it in a bit. Likewise, V2, they make 6%, V3 make 8% of trading profit, V4 10% of trading profit, V5 makes 11%, and V6 makes 12% of the trading profit. So system is very generous here. How? Because 16% of the money which has been taken from the trading profit, remember you got started, 20% is kept for sustainability for the company, but RoyalQ is very generous in this place. It distributes 16% of his profit out of the 20%. So it keeps only 4% for self-sustainability, and the $30, which is for running the company, promoting the businesses, everything. 16% has been redistributed back into the system for the trading earning or trading profits. So from 4 to 12% it's been distributed. And that's not all. Remember we spoke about what if the two people, if I and you are in the same rank, right? There is something known as peer income. So what happens if you join and you come to the same rank? I stop receiving money from you or the commissions from you, right? So what will happen? The company has kept, the RoyalQ has kept 3% separately as a peer income, where everyone receives 1% of the profit, everyone, each, right? Person as V6, you're the top most rank. So what's next? People who are at V6, they make 1% of the trading profit. So over 1 million people, right? 30 plus countries, still people are joining. Countries are adding up. People are going to trade into cryptocurrency. Every time they trade, the profitable trade, the 1% is kept aside for all the V6 who is going to achieve that rank. They make 1%. That is the global trading income. That's a huge money. So as we know, $120 is the fees for 1 year, which is annually. Unlike other applications where there was charges of weekly or bi-weekly, or you have to pay quarterly charges, here it is $120 only for 1 whole year. Now you might be wondering that $120, $70 is being redistributed, $30 goes to company, and what about the $20? That's the extra money. Now that's the fun begins. It has been distributed between, once you reach the level of V3 and up to V6, this is known as peer reward. The $10 is kept separate, which will be distributed among this V3, V4, V5 and V6. And $10 will be kept separate, which is the global dividend, which is recently added a month back. The global dividend, once somebody reaches that level, they make $10 on every new referral, right? So it will be distributed among them. So it's a huge money, and in rough about they're going to make somewhere between 5 to 10,000 US dollars per day. That's not bad. So even if you are here getting started and you achieve $100 per day, still it is 3,000 US dollar per month. It's a huge money. And if you're in India, it is a huge money, right? That's my referral code. And yes, you can talk to me anytime you want. You want to send me a text message on WhatsApp, or you want to call and talk to me, just let me know that you have seen my video, and let's have a discussion. I'm ready to talk. Call me anytime you feel like. In case I miss the call, text me. Important updates before you get started. Okay, so you know most of the trading and how to get started and all, but still I want to say how much capital is required. Now that's somebody, or most of us would be interested to know about how much capital is actually required, Ashok. I'll say, okay, let me do the mathematics, and I got started with very less. I faced a lot of difficulties, and then I came to that conclusion that yes, this is the minimum that you should have. And I thought, okay, annually I pay a cost of $120, which goes directly into RoyalQ application, which we pay directly to the RoyalQ. And then there is a fuel cost, right? So earlier in slides we have discussed, it's going to trade on the coin you're going to tell the bot to trade on, right? And it's going to charge you 20%. So how is that 20% will be charged? It's not going to take it from your exchange. You have to keep the fuel charges separately in RoyalQ application, right? So I'd say keep it $30. Why? Because when it comes below $10, okay, the point to be noted, when it comes below $10, you will start receiving notification from the application that your funds are low. And when you reach a threshold of $2, the bot will stop trading for you. So you need to have enough funds. So when you're getting started, it's better that we keep enough funds so that we don't run out of it much faster. Because I have seen bots trading somewhere between 30 to 80 times in a day. Is it possible for a human being to do it? No, it's not. So I have seen bots trading 70 times in a day, depending on number of coins they are trading on. If the account is huge, with $2,000 or to $10,000, they go on to multiple coins. So the trades are huge. If you have $200 or $300 into your account, the trades will be less. But again, $30 is fair enough. Why? I will tell you. And again, this fund goes directly into your RoyalQ account, and it will charge you, and you will get all the statement within that application. You can see the transactions done, how much money has been deducted. To get started with your funds, so you being part of RoyalQ, you have activated, you have kept the funds. Now you need the bot to trade, right? So you need an API key from an exchange, be it a Huawei or India or Coinbase. But many of us, if you're from India or anywhere, Binance is the topmost exchange, international exchange, where it is popularly used. In India, most of us are using Binance. If you are part of Huawei, that's fine. Coinbase, still good, right? So a minimum of $200 is a good start, I would say, because if you're getting started with a trade, likewise we saw the martingale's trading strategy. A $10 is the minimum trade, and if you get started with $10 and there is a margin call, the market goes down, you need at least about good $100 for a coin, right? So with that $10 or $200, with $10 trade, you can open 2 trades a maximum. So you need to keep some funds reserved. So again, the strategy wise, we can discuss more about it. I don't want to make this video more lengthy, right? So I follow a rule of 50, 40, 10. So let me know in the comments below in case you want to know about it. I'll make a separate video. I'll probably do a live session if you guys want, right? So I will be going live on YouTube. Depends on how well you're going to comment, right? So if you guys are okay and the team goes huge, and definitely we'll be going live. No more recorded videos. We'll go to live presentation on YouTube. All right. So in total, your starting capital will be $350. So $120 to recap goes to RoyalQ directly. $30 fuel cost goes RoyalQ directly. $200 minimum, which stays in your exchange. That money is safe with you, right? So total of $350. And why I'm saying that, I told you earlier, without this money, I struggled. You know what? I had $10 as a gas fees, and I got into many trades because I was new, or I can say I was moderate trader. So when I saw that bot is going to trade for me, I thought it will be a profitable trade. I got into multiple trades with the less funds, yeah. And yes, I got stuck, right? So I would say get started with the right instructions, right strategy, with the right community. Okay, so this is one of the circle within RoyalQ, which was done in past in August. You can see the trades they have done on a daily basis for the entire month, and for the 31 days, the profit they have made. So 25% they have made a profit. And this is another circle which is known as JD winner. So you can choose the circle. You can see how they trade. As an intermediate or beginner, you will learn from them how they trade and which coins they are trading on, what are the trading strategies, the fluctuations. You will come to know, and you will learn a lot. Then only you will become a professional trader after some time. So you can see that they have shown a 28% of profit, right? So some screenshots of people who have made money and income proof. So you can look at it. You can when the market is down, bot also will be doing a less profit. When market is high, bot makes good profit, right? And also depends on the fund. If you don't have funds left, the bot will not buy, right? So you will get a message notification saying that, hey, you don't have a fund. So keep enough funds so that bot can purchase. So it was done in past. You can see $128, $58, $111, $55, $68, $57, a screenshot given to you. And this was recently done from one of my account, which is market is still pulling up. It sucks. Like here it is $2, $13, $10. So you can calculate. Now you want to do it for yourself, which I would say I would recommend. Yes, do it for yourself for some time. And when you start making profit, or you learn and you know the bot is doing its work, and as long as you're feeding the bot, means you're having enough funds, definitely you are going to allow the bot to trade for you, right? If you don't have enough funds, bot will not do anything, right? But example is, you have a vehicle and you don't put a fuel, you cannot run it, right? Or you don't have a key, you cannot start it, right? So we have to understand, and we have to act accordingly and have enough funds. So I don't know what you're waiting for. If you're in, you're in. So to end with, I would like to say, keep your mind open, because mind and parachute works only when it's open. See if you want to live your dream or live your fear. Once again, I would not say thank you, but I would say be part of it, be it in my team or be it in some other community. But I would like to say welcome to the future, and see the difference yourself. We'll see you on the other video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.